everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. And you are tuned in for an unboxing, guys. Last Friday was my birthday, and I think I shared in my last haul that I would do an unboxing for you when I got my gift, my birthday gift. So this is a gift from my husband, and I said I was going to share it with you, and I gave you a hint as to what it was when I said that it is something that I have an addiction to and that I love very much. It is a handbag, and as you can see from the title below, this is a Coach bag. It's the Parker bag, and I wanted to share it with you guys first because I don't often buy things that are new. As you know, I do thrift quite a bit. The majority of the things that I get come from thrifting because I don't believe in creating debt, and I don't want to charge something just to kind of keep up with the masses. And this is a bag that I really love, and I have not seen a lot of uploads of this bag. There's 2 reviews that I have seen, and I will link those in the description box below so you can also check those out, because sometimes people give reviews in different ways and you can gain some information that maybe I might have missed, but I'll share those in the link. But this bag actually caught my eye early spring or late, I guess I could say early spring, late fall, even though this bag has been out a while. I don't go to the mall very much. I shop at Goodwill all the time, so I'm not up on the current trends. But I did go with a friend in the spring, and she was looking for a bag, and I was browsing around, and I saw that bag, and I was like, oh my, that is a beautiful bag. And so yeah, I just kind of liked it from there, and then that's when I started doing research online, and I found those reviews, and I told my husband about the bag, and he got it, and he said, this is your gift for the whole year. This is your birthday gift, your anniversary gift. This is all the gifts for the year. And he's very frugal, and he's kind of rubbing off on me in that sense. But anyway, I digress. I just wanted to give you a background, and I will be doing just a tiny bit of a comparison with another bag. This is a great alternative to the Louis Vuitton. Even though I do not own that bag, I have researched it online, and I think this is a nice alternative if Louis Vuitton is not in your price range, because you know, not everybody can afford the same things, and as I said, I don't think you should live above your means. But anyway, let's just jump right into this haul, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Are you having a great day? I'm having a really good day. It's beautiful here, and spring is about to come to an end, and the summer is officially coming, so I'm looking forward to that. We'll be going home to Memphis on the 28th, and we'll be staying there for a week. So it'll kind of run over into July, but I'm looking forward to always seeing my family. So let's see what this is like, guys. So here is the box, as you can see, Coach, and we're gonna take it out. It is wrapped like this. Oh wow, got a lot of stuff falling out here, but it has the sticker on it, as you can see. And I guess that's just stuffing to kind of keep things in place. And it has a card. So this card says, thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known since 1941. And just a little tad of information, 1941 is my childhood address, and it's also the address where my mom still lives. We lived at 1941, and I won't give the street, but that is where we used to live, and that's where my mom still lives, so that's kind of cool. So that is the card, and it gives, if you have any questions, you can ask. Then it also comes with another envelope, and this one says, happy 47th birthday, Audrey. So there, and let's see here. As you can see, it has a lot of stuffing, padding, so they have packaged it very, very well. And this is the box. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to shift that over. Don't want that to fall just a little bit. All right, so here is the box, beautifully wrapped. It has the nice brown ribbon in it. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. Let me make sure nothing else is in here. There is the receipt envelope that's there, so that is awesome. So we're gonna open this box up, guys. Thank you for coming along with me on this unboxing. There. So this is what it looks like inside. Nice and stuffed. More stuffing. Once again, you have the sticker with the Coach detailing there. Gonna try to keep everything nice and intact. This is going to be like a bag that I keep forever. I don't plan on ever reselling this bag. Some bags you just want to hang on to and keep in your collection. So this is the dust bag it comes in. So it looks like this. Very nice. And then we're going to take the string out. Put that aside. All right, so let's take it out of the bag. Wow, this is really beautiful. So we have that. It's got all of the little wrapping around it, so we're gonna take all of that off. So here is the bag, and this bag was $450 plus shipping, just so you know. But it has the chain handles. I love that aspect of this bag, as you can see, and I'll do some close-up shots later. But right now I just want us to look at the detailing on this. It has the flower design here, and that is on a lot of their different bags. They have that kind of throughout to unify the collection. But you have all of the little studding here, the border. You've got the signature here, which is a nice contrast, and then the brown leather, and it's just absolutely stunning. And on here, on the, I guess, what do you call these, rivets or the looping, it has Coach written on it. Just really nice. The back side has a slip pocket. So if you want to do a quick, put your phone, my phone would certainly fit in here. You could put your receipts in there. And has the turn lock right here. We're gonna open that up. And it has this beautiful suede kind of leather on the inside. Very well done. And then it has a pocket here. And then when you open it up, it has like a compartment, like a accordion style compartment. So you have lots of space here and here. We're gonna unzip that, and you got spacing here, and it has your care cards in there. So we'll put that aside. And then let's take out this stuffing. You have another slip pocket here. So, and then you also have the Coach stamping in there, as in all of their bags. So it looks like that on the bottom. I like how you can see the two tones of the bag. On the sides you have snakeskin, which I really love. So awesome detailing. You've got the Coach tag here, and nice detailing of the snakeskin there. But beautiful, beautiful bag. Love this bag. And now I am going to show you some close-ups of this bag, and I'll do some modeling shots, because like I said, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but you can also wear it as a longer shoulder bag, maybe even crossbody this way. But I just love this, and like I say, this is a nice alternative to the LV Victoire. They have a lot of similarities in the way that they're made, and I will show that to you later on in the video. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back, and thanks for coming along with me on this unboxing. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful work of art. This is a very structured and lightweight bag, and this beautiful T-rose turn lock closure on the front just makes this classic, iconic, and stylish. I love the border detailing of the brass rivets, and you have the beautiful interlocking of the chain with the leather woven into the strap. I like the side detailing. This is genuine snake skin on the gussets on either side. I love the signature coated canvas, which is a nice contrast to the black and brown leather. Once again, you have the snake skin on the opposite side with the Coach hang tag. And then it also has Coach stamped in on this beautiful brass detailing that is holding the chain strap. This is just an overall beautiful, gorgeous bag. Love it. Against this refined calf leather, you have this signature coated canvas, which offers a nice outside pocket. So let's take a look at this beautiful micro suede lining on the inside. The straps are adjustable, so the handle converts to a shoulder strap of a 19 1/4 drop. And this is a very roomy bag. You have a slip pocket here. It's accordion style, so you have lots of room and space, as you can see. You also have the Coach creed and code, which is standard in all Coach bags. I love the leather trim on the pockets on the inside. Very nice detailing. The measurements of this bag is 10 1/4 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 4 inches in width. You have this zip pocket here for more secured closure. You might want to put your wallet there, and I like how that Coach is woven into the fabric of that lining. Beautiful detailing of this bag. In addition to the awesome features of this bag, the Coach Parker bag is a wonderful alternative to the Louis Vuitton Victoire bag. Thank you so much for tuning in to the unboxing of this beautiful Parker Coach bag. I just love it. Thank you for enduring all of my rambling and gushing about this bag. I love sharing things that I love, and art is one of the things that I love. And to me, this is a work of art, down to the nice hardware detailing with the leather woven through it and the black and brown contrasting of leathers, the border, the signature. I mean, I just love everything about it. The snake skin, this is a beautiful bag. I know I'll have it for a while to come. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Parker bag. Let me know what you've been keeping your eye on in the Coach line if you're a Coach fan. And yeah, or any bag that you've had your eye on. As a matter of fact, I want to encourage you guys to remember to not go in debt trying to keep up with everybody else. Just live within your means. And I say that because a lot of times when we spend money unnecessarily, we lose our peace of mind because we're creating debt and we're like, oh, I got all these bills. So it's really not worth it. If there's something you really want your eye on, save up for it, or just hint around to your husband, and if it's in his budget to get it, maybe he'll get it for you. But really, I want to just encourage you to be good stewards of all that God has given you, like I always do, because he truly loves us so much. And I believe that will bring so much peace and joy to you if you do. All right, let me get off my soapbox. Quality can be found at any price range. And I see that countlessly when I watch other people's thrifting videos, and when I go thrifting. Miss Shops a lot, Thrifty Southerner, Miss Fila, Hardrian. There are a bunch of YouTubers that I watch who thrift and find good quality stuff. So you don't have to spend a lot of money, look good, and Dion Dean. I just got to give a shout out to all you thrifters. Y'all are awesome. That's if y'all watch this video. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.